Ron Paulk here, and this is the office of the Smart Woodshop. I'm trying a couple of new things today. One, I'm using the microphone on my AirPods to my smartphone. So I'm using my iPhone 12 and I am using a DJI Osmo 5. It's a little gimbal with kind of follow me on it. So we'll see how this works out, the audio, the video, and everything. This is the Paulk stand-up desk. You probably know all about it, but we've been getting some questions and we're trying to make sure our playlists are understood. There is a playlist for this, 10 videos from beginning to end when I actually built this in the shop. There's actually more videos. I think there's about 18 in the playlist, but a few of them are about SketchUp and designing it, which you may enjoy. And then there was kind of an intro video about what we're gonna do. And then there was one many months, I think 8 months later, where I did some modifications to it, put some bigger wheels and stuff on it. So it's all there. I'm gonna put a link to it in this video. And I show you that it's roll around, because actually I built this a long time before I made the smart workbenches roll around. I should have saw that coming, because just like my workbenches, everything goes on here. Even though this is minimally set up now, because this whole room is gonna get torn off and replaced, and I'm gonna have to kind of tear this down when I do that. But when I'm all set up, I've got another Drobo, I've got a big Synology that goes there, I have a big monitor on an arm, all the wires are back and tucked inside, and everything goes to one cable, and I'm able to move it around. Because this room is an old patio that's closed in, has a lot of slope on it. So I mean, you almost have, stand up straight, have to lean to the right. But with the big wheels on it, when they're unlocked, it rolls against the wall here. So I have it up against the window and locked in. So I don't need to move it a bunch right now, but it is nice to be able to just move my desk around, clean under it, or if I just want to move to a different window or something, just like the workbenches. So anyway, if you are interested in a set of plans to build one of these for yourself, they will be in the video description down below, a link, as well as a link to get you to the playlist where you can see how to build it from beginning to end. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop office. You stay safe and have a great day.